Okay, so this is our Adobong Puti, cook it vinegar and fish sauce. Thank you for watching. So these are the ingredients for Adobong Puti. This time without soy sauce. I have belly pork here, bay leaves, garlic, peppercorn, vinegar, and fish sauce. Of course, the onions also. Okay, this time we don't use soya sauce, so that's why it's called white adobo, because there's no soya sauce, and the meat afterwards will be crispy. It is very important to use the belly pork part of the pig, of the pork, because this, and also it's important to have skin on it. Yeah, don't remove that. I know it's not healthy, but it's just the traditional way of cooking Adobong Puti. Okay, let's start. Okay, so we start cooking with the meat. We will all just mix it all together. And the garlic. Peppercorn, fish sauce, and vinegar. And then I will add a little bit more oil. Okay, so we'll cook it like 30 minutes. Okay, after like 15 minutes, I'm going to check it. It's boiling. Okay. We're gonna cover it again for another like 30 minutes. Okay, we're going to check again after 30 minutes. Yeah. Okay. It has to be like that. Now the vinegar and oil evaporated now. You can see it's slowly cooking. And yeah, this is the way how we preserve food before in the old time in Philippines, because it is a very warm country, and so to keep the food preserved, we use vinegar and cook it this way, and then we put it in a jar to preserve. Yeah. And before, during the old time, we don't have also wrap. So yeah. This is the way we do the preservation of food. So now it's nice and brown, not so dark. But yeah, I'll give it another 10 minutes and then it is cooked away. Okay, let's check it again. Perfect. Now it's good. Thank you for watching. Okay, so this is our Adobong Puti. Cook it vinegar and fish sauce. Thank you for watching.